Hi students, Namaste. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Okay children, everybody should be safe and fine. Don't come out of your home unnecessarily without your parents' knowledge. Okay, because you all will be at home for a long days, no, will be feeling very bored. So now we can go for an interesting chapter, interesting class also. Okay children, good, very good. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from a new disease. Yes, it's called as COVID-19. This is caused by a virus called corona. Good. By this coronavirus, many of them have lost their life. Yes, but we can prevent this disease only by stopping the spreading of this virus. Okay? Each and every one of us should take care of ourselves and others. We should definitely follow the government guidelines given. Okay? That we have to wash our hands regularly, use alcohol based sanitizers, stay home and self isolate, cover your mouth and nose with face mask. Don't come out of your play home unnecessarily. Avoid close contacts with other people. Okay, children, like this, we have to follow our government guidelines. Okay, children, now we can learn some new things. That is the 7 habits of highly effective people. The 7 habits already we have learned in LKG and UKG. So here we are going to learn briefly about this. Can anyone guess what I'm going to say? See what we can see here. Leaders. How many of them want to become a leader? Yes, I too want to become a leader. You also want to become a leader. See here, leader. Leader is the person who will make the others to follow you in a right path. Like that, see here are many leaders' photos. They will make others to follow in their way to lead a good life. See here many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Like this, there are many leaders who will make others to follow them to get a good path and lead a good country. Like this, how many of them want to become a leader? Yes, I too want to become a leader. For this, I am a leader. For this, Mr. Stephen R. Covey gave us a definition. See, before that, see here, some birds are flying. See, one bird is leading in the front. That is called the leader bird. See, this leader bird is making others to follow in a correct path, good path. Like this, see, this bird is called as the leader bird. Now making all the other birds to follow this leader. Okay, follow him or her, this bird. Okay, fine. See here, this person is a leader making all the other persons to come in a correct path, to lead a good path. Is making the other people to follow him. Okay, see here also, great leaders start off as great followers. The leaders make others to follow him. See, they are giving the good food path for others to follow him. Okay, for this, see here, one definition is given here. That is, leadership is communicating people's worth and potential so clearly that they are inspired to see it in themselves. You have learned this definition in KG also, no? See here, now this leadership is communicating with all the other friends, to our colleagues, all our friends. We have to communicate, and the potential, because everybody are having a good potential. Now getting the good potential from others, so clearly we have to get the good potential from others, that they are inspired when they are having a good potential. We have to get them and inspired to see it when we have to follow. See, when a good leader is having a good leadership, all the good leaders and everything, we have to follow from them. All the good steps, what are the ideas they are having, we can follow them. We can get a good idea. That is, leadership is a choice, not a position. Good. For this, to have an effective leader, we have to follow a super model. The model name is See, Do, Get. The model name is See, Do, Get model. What is this? Say once again, repeat it. See, Do, Get model. See, for that, what we see determines what we do, and what we do determines the result we get. By this, our behavior and results change as well. Okay, for example, let me explain it briefly. See what we are seeing, and and by that what we are doing, and by doing that what is the result you are getting. Okay, for example, when you're walking in our school, that is our Jairam public school, when you're walking, when you come to see from some papers or dust on the corridor, what you will do, you will see and you'll move like this as it is. No, you have to see that and what you have to do, you have to pick the papers, pick the dust and put in the dustbin. That is only doing. What you have to do, to take the waste papers and put in the dustbin. Then what is the result you are getting? What is it you are getting? The place is clean. That is the result. What you see is the dust, and what you do is that taking the waste paper, and what you get is that the clean place. You are putting in the dustbin, no. Now the place is very clean. Like that, not only in the classroom, you have to keep the place neat and clean at home also. Okay, children? Like this only, the see do get model helps us in our day-to-day life. Okay? See, now we are going to see the 7 habits tree. Have you all seen this tree in our classroom? No? Yes. See, we have here 7 habits. Already we have learnt about that. No? Now we can see briefly about that. Now see this. The 7 habits of highly effective people. Now see the habit number 1. Be proactive. Habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. Habit number 3. Put first things first. Okay. Now habit number 4. Think win-win. Now habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Habit number 6. Strategize. Habit number 7. Sharpen the saw. Now let us see briefly. Now see here how colorful is the 7 habits are. See all the 7 habits here. Yes. Now see the habit number 1 is be proactive. Be proactive. Now read the word B-E-B, P-R-O-A-C-T-I-V-E. Be proactive. See here, be proactive means always be positive. What is the meaning? Be positive. That is, you are in charge of yourself. Yes, you are in charge of yourself. Super, children. I am a responsible person. Yes, you are a responsible person. No. Yes, I am a responsible person. You are responsible for all your things. No. Yes, I take initiatives. I take initiatives. What are the steps to be done? You have to take initiatives. I choose my actions, attitudes and moods. You choose your actions on attitudes and moods in the classroom very good and quietly. See, if you are having any pencil or eraser, you should be responsible for your own belongings. No, if you're not keeping it properly, what will happen? It will miss. So that you will be very much responsible for all belongings. Not only inside the classroom, at home also you should be very responsible. After entering inside the classroom, what is the initiative you have to do? You have to be very quiet, keep your lunch bag in the correct place, and sit in your own place. Like this, you have to do the actions and everything should be good. Then, next thing, I don't blame others for my faults. If you are making any mistake, you should not blame others. See, when you're doing something, see if your friends will say, "Ma'am, I didn't do, he only did, ma'am, he only did." Like this, we should not blame others. If you do any mistakes, you should say, "Ma'am, I only did, sorry, ma'am, by mistake I did it." Like this, you should not blame others. Okay? I do good things even when no one is around. See, every time, all and every time, you have to do only the good things. If anybody is seeing or not, you have to do only good things. So, when a teacher is there inside the classroom, what you will do will be very, very good. When she is moving aside, you will start your naughtiness. Like that, you should not do. You should be very good when everybody is not seeing you also. Okay, children. Now see here, reactive language and proactive languages. See, this reactive or the negative languages, proactive or the positive languages. So reactive is I have to, ma'am, whether I have to do this, ma'am. Like this, don't question. You will say, "Ma'am, I choose to do this." You have to say in a positive attitude, "Ma'am, I choose to do this, ma'am." Next, I need to, "Ma'am, I need to do this." Don't say sadly, "Ma'am, I prefer to do this." Be energetic and bold. "Ma'am, I prefer to do this." Like that. "Ma'am, I cannot, I can't, ma'am. My ma'am can't write." No, don't use negative words. "Ma'am, I will write." I will, I know, I will write, ma'am. Say in positive manner. "I haven't time." When a ma'am is giving homework, what you'll say? "Ma'am, I went out, I haven't time." Don't use those words. "Ma'am, yes, I will do that." "Yes, I can do, ma'am." "If only, ma'am, if only I can do that word, ma'am." Say, no, if you can able to do or not, you can say on spot, yes or no. Okay, children, like this, you have to use only positive words. Now see the habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. Super. This is habit number 2. See here, habit number 2, you have to have a good plan. You are a good planner. See here, I plan ahead and set goals. Before you are doing anything, you have to plan. Then only you have to set goals. See, for example, when you are going for a picnic or any other place, what you will do? You will go as it is? No, you will be planning. I will take, "Mama, Mummy, I will take my lunch bag. Mummy, I will take my snacks. I will take my car." Like that, whatever you want, you have to have a good plan. "Mama, mummy, I want to take that, take this." Like this, you will have a plan. No, like that, you have to have a good plan for anything, not only for picnic, for everything you have to have a good plan. Then I look for ways to be a good citizen. For being a good citizen, for being a good boy, you have to find ways, many ways you have to find. When you're going outside, if anybody is taking any talking any wrong words, don't be away from them. We should not talk with them. We have to be very bold enough. We should be very good citizen. Okay, I do things that have meaning and make a difference. Whatever the work or actions you're doing, it should be very meaningful. See, when you're morning, if you're doing any exercise just for namesake, you're stretching your hands and legs, is it enough? You should be, it should be very meaningful. Whenever that you are doing any exercise or writing anything, it should be meaningful. You should understand and do everything. Then it should be different from others also. Next, I am an important part of my classroom and contribute to my school's mission and vision. Okay, children, you have to contribute everything to your classroom and parents. Okay, you have to be very good. You are the important play. When ma'am is entering inside the classroom, where is the boy, where is the leader? She should find, he or she should find the child. Like that, you should play a important vital role inside the classroom. Okay, now see here, this girl is reading many books. You have to read many books to gather more knowledge. See, she is planning. Okay, next, I'm prepared at all times. Whenever ma'am is asking any questions, you should be prepared at all times. Okay, children. Okay, then I think about how the choices, and I now sorry, I make now with affect my future. What and all you're doing, we should not affect your future. Okay. Now what are the plans? If you're doing any, if you're taking your classwork and writing, if it is untidy, your handwriting is not good, if it is the paper is torn, what will happen? At last, the future is when you're reading for the exams, at the final exams, you can't read it. That's why whenever you're doing any action or any works now, it should not affect your future. Like that, you should do everything in a proper way. Next, I think about the positive or negative consequences of my actions before I act. Before you act, what you have to do? When you are doing any actions, whether it is good to others, or you have to think about the positive or negative consequences of your action. Okay, when you're writing, when you're sitting, for example, when you're sitting in the inside the classroom, when you're sitting in front of your friends and writing, it will affect your friend. No, he can't see the board, so that you have to move and sit aside. You have to think about whether if I sit there it is correct or not. For every actions you have to think the positive and negative aspects. Okay children. Okay, next, habit number 3, put first things first. Next is habit number 3 is put first things first. Here, by the word itself, you can know that first. Work first, then play. See, work first. Work is only first comes, then you can go for play. Okay. For this, I do the things that I have to do before. What are the things you have to do before? You have to do it. I do the things that I want to do. What and all you want to do it immediately, you have to do it. Okay. For this, for example, see, if a ma'am is giving you any homeworks, what you have to do? Keep it as it is aside. Later we can write, you can go. No, you have to write the homeworks, and if she is giving any test, you have to read it properly for the next day's test. Then only you will be very free. Next we can go and play. Okay? Next, I stay focused on what I'm doing. I try to minimize distractions and regroup if I get off task. If you get off task, see, when you are reading, for example, when you are reading, if you're seeing, watching the TV and reading, whether you can able to by heart it or can able to read properly. No. When you're reading, you have to focus on what you're reading itself. Don't get distracted about others or any other thing. Okay? Then you can't do your work properly. Next one, I spend my time on the things that are most important. See, which are the things which is most important, you have to work on the things. When a parents are calling you, immediately you have to go and ask. What parents, what mama, daddy. You have to ask them whatever they required. You have to help the other people. If your parents, if your elders or if your grandparents are coming and asking you, Kana, take me that stick and give it to me, you'll say, no, no, Brady, I can't take you. I can't take you, Papa. I can take you, Grana. If you'll say, say like that, no, you have to go and help them immediately. You're all special children. You're all valuable children. You're all very good. So that you have to help everybody. You have to respect everybody. Everybody are very good. You have to make a schedule, proper schedule. You should not waste time, because the time is very precious for you all. Know, for you and for everybody, time is very precious. You are very disciplined and organized children. First, whenever you want to study, at that time you have to study, and then you can go for play. Okay children? Okay. Today we have seen about the first 3 habits alone. The next class we can see about the next 4 habits. Now see here, we can recall the habits. Okay. The habit number 1 is be proactive. What is that? Habit number 1 is be proactive. Habit number 2 is begin with the end in mind. Good. Habit number 3 is, what is the habit number 3? Habit number 3 is put first things first. Super. Okay children, today we have seen only first 3 habits. Okay children, thank you.